So on today's video, I will be updating you guys based on how the markets have been looking on three trading pairs that we always work on, which is Nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. So if you guys are new to my channel, I want to make you guys understand that COT Academy is the most legit and far most importantly the greatest YouTube channels ever in the world. And with the content that we upload, it's all based on educational content. If not, then it's all entertainment purposes. But for the most part of it, this channel is based on educational content. And on today's video, I have a special video for you guys, just to update you guys and show you guys how the markets have been looking based on Monday and Tuesday, and how possibly the markets might continue moving based on, which is today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So yesterday we had CPI, and based on yesterday's CPI, I just want to give you guys a quick review and update you guys into what we might be looking forward to. But before we start and before we hit the charts, 80% of you guys who are watching my channel have not yet subscribed. And if I give you guys value and if I add value into your trading journey, into your trading life, all I ask of you is to just like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop educational and fire content based on forex. And if you are looking to trade with the best broker on the safest platform with a user-friendly trading system, then I guess you came to the right place. Click that link on my description and sign up with QuickTrade today so you can have a minimum deposit of 100 Rand so you can trade safe, trade good, and so you can have a great trading journey. But before we start, always remember COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. All I ask and all I need for you guys to do is to just take my Instagram link and DM me. If not, take my number, give me a call or send me a WhatsApp, or just comment P on the comment section so I can be mindful and aware into what I might assist you with until we can do the rest from there. But without further ado, let me make sure that I update you guys and make sure that I prepare you guys for the coming days in the forex markets. So one of the most important pairs that we always start off is the NAS, right? And on the NAS, when you clearly look at the charts, you can clearly see that price at this resistance that has now turned into our new support. And with that being said, price at this all-time high marked out, and price gave us a violation, creating a new all-time high, meaning our structure is in a word higher high, higher low type structure, even though it don't look like it, right? So understanding that on market open, which was on Monday, we had a clean anticipation that the only thing that we're waiting for is for price to give us a fill to break so we can look for the moves to the upside, or a break below so we can look for those moves to the downside, right? So as you can clearly see, the markets failed to break below our very same zone, with a break below and a break above continuing to the upside. So from continuing to the upside, we had a violation of our all-time high, the violation of our all-time high, price creating a new all-time high. So understand that price was looking bullish from Monday and Tuesday until CPI came later on Tuesday, right? And you can clearly see the bear momentum that stepped in the charts, right? So all I now can let you guys be aware of is very simple. Based on how the markets is looking and based on how price is looking, the only thing that we can mark out is this current all-time high. And understand, with us marking this current all-time high, we basically are looking to see, based on how price has been looking, because we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a possible higher low, right? So the only four things that I might be focusing on is that if price will continue bearish, then we're gonna wait for a break below this very same zone to look for those continuations to the downside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess we might anticipate that reversal to the upside and look for price to be bullish. And another thing, if price will give us a break above our all-time high, then we might possibly look for those new all-time highs. But if price will give us a fail to break our all-time high, then I guess we might look for that intraday reversal to the downside based on price giving us a possible double top, and look for those moves to the downside. But be mindful of one thing: we're basically just waiting for confirmation to see what is the next gonna do. Are we gonna continue bullish, breaking above our all-time highs, or are we gonna break below our new support / old resistance so we can look for those continuations to the downside? That's all we're gonna be focusing on the next. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So On gold, we wouldn't say much, or we wouldn't say too many things, but understand that our structure on gold is currently looking bullish, but our current price is looking bearish. Based on what? Based on price giving us this current high, and based on price failing to break above this current high in anticipation of possible new current highs, right? But what happened from here? Price is looking currently bearish, right? So understand that your structure was bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? And a higher low in anticipation of what? Possible new higher highs. But this high couldn't break above this high, and understanding that with this high failing to break this high, price had a push to the downside, giving us this low. So the only thing that I now can make you guys be mindful of is that price is looking bearish, and with price looking bearish, we can only focus on two zones that we're gonna put our money to work. The first zone is if price will give us a fail to break this zone, we might anticipate that possible reversal to the downside. But if price will give us a break below, then I guess we might look for that continuation to the upside. Another zone is based on this current highs. If price will give us a break above this highs, then we might anticipate possible new highs. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess we might anticipate those intraday reversals to the downside and look to be bearish. But be mindful again, like we did on the NAS, we're just waiting for confirmation to basically see what is price gonna do. Are we gonna get that push to the upside, breaking above our highs, looking for new highs, or are we gonna have a fail to break those highs in anticipation of a possible reversal? And another thing, are we gonna have a break below our zone so we can look for continuations to the downside, or are we gonna fail to break below that zone in anticipation of a reversal to the upside if price is above our zone, and a continuation if price is below our zone, so we can look for those reversals to the upside and be bullish? If not, we cannot be bearish with a break below. But be mindful, we're just waiting for confirmation to see what is price gonna do. Are we gonna continue the way we anticipate, or are we gonna continue the way we don't anticipate? That's all we're gonna be waiting for. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. And on USD CAD, it was very simple, right? It was very simple and pure like cocaine in the 80s. Understanding that price has what equal lows. Understanding that, sorry about this, I'm getting too excited. Understanding that price is highs, price is lows, and price is highs. And with price having a push in a range, we had a clean anticipation that there's high possibility of a continuation to the upside only if price will give us a break above our highs. And when you clearly look at our current price, you can clearly see a clean indication of a break in a retest and possible continuations to the upside on USD CAD. So USD CAD might be a tradable pair compared to other two pairs that we're gonna be working on, which is Nasdaq and gold, because USD CAD was on a range, and this range we had a break above. With a break above, price gave us a retest of our very same range, meaning we had a clean break and retest and looking for possible continuations to the upside. So USD CAD will be very simple. If price will break and continue above our highs, then we're simply gonna look for possible new highs. But if price will give us a break above and a break below, then I guess we're gonna do what price is doing and just be bearish on our intraday highs as price have a breakout and a break below. But for the most part of it, understand USD CAD is looking bullish with a clean break and retest of our highs. The only thing that we're going to be focusing on USD CAD is to look for those continuations to the upside based on price giving us a break and a retest. And that's all we're going to be focusing on. But for the most part, understand that USD CAD will be a tradable pair based on our simple, pure price action techniques that we trade in the COT Academy. And if you are looking for further assistance based on how we trade and how we look for market setups, then I guess you're going to take my number or take my Instagram link or just comment P down below so you can be mindful of what you're looking for and what you want to the COT Academy to assist you with. But without further ado, thanks for everything. Thanks for liking the video, for sharing the video, for leaving a comment on a video, and for far most importantly, choosing the COT Academy YouTube channel as far most legit and the greatest YouTube channels in the world, and for choosing the COT Academy Forex Institute as the most legit Forex institutes in the world. But without further ado, I'm grateful for everything and I appreciate everything. This is your boy Alam, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video.